Hey guys, so I'm here to do an initial review for a company called Ms.Cat here on AliExpress. This is the little card that they gave me. I just received my package in the mail. My hair came in this box and they sent me 5 flexi rods, so I'm very grateful for that. And they're pink, so that's also my favorite color. This is the box. It says Ms.Cat hair, and yeah, this is the back of the box. Just gives you some details. I ordered two 22-inch bundles, and I believe it's Brazilian straight. And I already opened one of my bundles. This is how big it is. And this is how the bundle looks. The ends are pretty nice. And I'm running my fingers through it and it's running through it seamlessly. So yeah, I ordered two 22-inch bundles. They were having a deal when I bought it, so I actually bought both of these for about $39, so about $40 for two 22-inch bundles. And I am gonna add this hair to some other hair I have and make a U-part wig. I don't know if I'm gonna dye this hair maybe purple or a jet black color. So I'm gonna open the other bundle, and on the back they give you a barcode scanner to like go to their AliExpress store, and then all it says is Ms.Cat here. And it did come wrapped in a hairnet. And I also don't see any shedding out of the bundles. So this is how they look both together. The one on the left is bigger than the one on the right. So yeah. I'll be back with some more updates for this hair. And I'm going to link Ms.Cat hair down below in my description box. So far the hair seems good. I've never ordered straight hair before, so this is something new for me. So yeah, I'll be back with some more updates for this hair. Bye guys.